Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to assign your cards in your boards in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to connect to your web application and connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have an existent account, all you need to do is to connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts. Otherwise, you can just sign up with your email. After you successfully connect to your Trello workspace, you will need just to follow these simple steps. So basically, this is my workspace view here in Trello web application, and now we will need to reach or to access to a board and change its cards. So basically, I'm going to choose this board that is named board. I'm going to click on it. So either you click on it from your boards section, or you can go to the boards view and choose your board. So basically, those are my cards, and if you want to assign them, you need to modify the cards. So either you are going to click on it on this customizing button or icon. So if you click on it, you will find uh, these choices or this little menu. Or you can click on the label or on the card, and you will find a more detailed view of the card. So all we need to do is to move it to an assignment. So basically here I have a to-do list while doing and the finished task, for example. And if we want to assign it, all we need to do is to move this card. So either you can do it manually by dragging the card to the finished task, for example, or you can just customize it and click on move, and we are going to move it on finished. So you click on move, uh, and it should be moved now. So let's just do it again. We are going to move it suggested. So we click on finished, and as you can see it will be finished. Or as I said, we can click on our card, we go to move, and you choose any one that you want or any list where you want to move this thing. So you move. And if you want like to make it disappear or just to like delete it, all you need to do is to archive it. So you can just archive uh, your card, and it will be disappeared and assigned. So basically, this is how you can assign your cards on Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.